Hi, I'm out in Henry's Wood today in Witchwood Forest, and I had a request to show you some traps. So I'm going to show you one today. This trap is a Preditor trap, and it's a leg hold trap. It'll catch wild dogs, feral dogs that is, feral cats, fox. It'll catch pretty near anything you want depending on the size of snare you use and the type of bait you put on the stick. But generally I only use this one for catching feral cats and foxes and feral dogs. I'll show it to you now. Okay, here are the trap parts for the Preditor trap. You can see that forked stick, and I've left enough on top to hammer it in with. Okay, that's just some rope that I carry with me that I made out of tow linen. Over here we have the other one. So we've got two of these fork sticks, okay, or pegs, hammered into the ground, not far from one another. On here you can see some brass wire. This is picture hanging wire. I use 2 lengths of 7-strand brass picture hanging wire, and I twist them together for predators. If you're using them for rabbits, then you only need just the 7-strand. It's fine. Down here, this thick one is the crossbar. This is the peg, which you can see I've sharpened on the end because it has to be hammered in the ground. This one you can call the bait stick or the trigger stick. As you can see, it's much longer. To find out where the peg goes, we have to lay that stick down on the ground, and then at the end of it, that's where we put the peg. This end is on the crossbar. You can move that one a little bit further forward to there. Okay, this is the spring pole I'm going to use. Okay, this is a sprung trap. I left a fork on the end of here. You see that? That's to help secure the line to. And I've stripped all the foliage. That'll make it work much faster. Okay, I'm not going to use the rope I showed you. I'm using some baling twine, so hopefully you can see it easier. Put this peg in here. That. Now the bait goes on this stick. That's why you can call it a trigger stick or a bait stick. Around here, around one side, you can use the foliage that you cut off of the spring pole. This will stop anything from coming in from the wrong side. if you can see that. It's a little stick, and there's the baling twine wrapped around it, which would be the rope that I carry, but hopefully you can see that a bit better.